what's up guys, this is RUS Ua here and welcome back to my channel. And today we'll be doing some challenges sent by my subscribers. So let's get on to the first one. Okay, so the first one is do the checkerboard pattern in the 3x3 using one hand in under 5 seconds. Okay. Ooh, that was close. 4.82. Let's go. Next one. So the next one is doing an RUS Ua perm in under 1 second. Okay, that's pretty easy. 8.67. Let's go. Do a sauce algorithm. Okay. Done. Next one is solve with 3x3 Rubik's brand in under 15 seconds. Man, that's gonna be tough. Let's try it. It's already hard to turn. Let us count right, please. Let's go. I was so tired that after this challenge, I just went and slept and recorded all the other challenges the next day. So the next challenge is to solve a 4x4 in under 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay. Oh, let's do that. Let's go. Next one. No. Do a checkerboard pattern on the Rubik's brand with 2 hands and under 5 seconds. Let's do that. That's pretty easy. 3 seconds. Next one. Do 10 J Perms in under 10 seconds. Let's try. Let's go! Yep, and this is the video. So all these challenges were very fun to do, and if you like the video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. We're so close to 500 subscribers, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.